Com fibra e destemor a cada nova jornada.
He's saying they are extremely proud to have you guys here, and he hopes God blesses you throughout the event.
Eu vou estar segunda-feira em Curitiba passando por eles, uma bandeira do Guarani, que eu quero a assinatura dele também.
Okay, he will be watching you guys in Curitiba during the first match, and yeah, he will be holding a flag of the team, and he would like you guys to sign it up with
Don't worry, we'll put it down. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Com fibra e destemor a cada nova jornada.
Eu não tô cara de boa.
Falta uma? Ok.